गुरु तुझे लगता है ना कि तू तन्हा है क्योंकि तेरी जिंदगी में लोग नहीं है, या तू तन्हा है तेरी जिंदगी में लोग हैं, तू तब भी तन्हा फील कर रहा है. सो तू तन्हा है, लाइक व्हाट आर यू देन? तुझे लग रहा है कि तू तन्हा ही है या तू कुछ और है. कुछ और का मतलब वो नहीं, वो भी नहीं. इट जस्ट सिंपली मीन्स मैन, it is not the absence of the people in your life or the presence of the people. It is the absence of you not understanding your true self. Simple. तुझे अपने आप को समझना पड़ेगा. तू तो अकेले कमरे में बैठ भी नहीं सकता गुरु. लाइक तू बैठेगा तो 2 मिनट बाद फ़ोन खोल लेगा या तू बुक पढ़ने लग जाएगा. क्यों पढ़ रहा है? Maybe it's not required. Right? Like simply, it is not required. You gotta understand yourself. Sometimes you have to be alone in your room. Just gotta stick with your own self and just try to understand yourself. Just close your eyes and think. Or maybe don't think, I guess. I don't think thinking is required at that time. It just, you have to be with 100% of your true self. You don't have to caught up in other thinking. You just have to be there. Bas 100% you are in the moment. You try to understand what your things are, what your true desires are, what you want to do in your life. Why this waking up call is coming in your life हर दिन जो तुझे kind of make you feel lonely or all of it. कभी कभी तो लोगों के साथ है तब भी you feel like, oh, I don't belong here, I want to go back to my cave. But the fact is जब तू अकेले कमरे में आता है, what the first thing you do? If it's hot, you might turn the AC on, and the next thing is you would start using your phone. If not, you would just do something else to distract yourself. But the fact is, you don't have to distract yourself. But why are you distracting yourself from? You need to understand it. You have the cure. Or what is the thing that is actually, जिस चीज़ से तू भाग रहा है उस चीज़ का इलाज तेरे पास ही है, man. The fact is, there is nobody who can help you. I can tell, bro. Nobody, like kitni baar you would go to, you would go to this, like what do you call this thing? Psychiatrist, all of it. I don't understand it, man, to be very honest. But based on my understanding, I say, bro, कि अगर तू lonely, अगर तुझे तन्हाई feel हो रही है, you have to understand your true self. Your true self, you gotta conquer yourself, man. बोट तभी डूबती है जब पानी उसके अंदर चले जाए. बोट तब नहीं डूबती जब वो चाहे बाहर कितना स्टॉर्म आए, कितनी वेव्स ऊपर जा रही, it doesn't give a fuck. बट जिस दिन पानी अंदर चलेगा, that's it, boom, end of story, dead. And that's the thing. और तू अगर तन्हा हर दिन ऐसा ही फील कर रहा है कि all of it, और तू डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, स्क्रोल कर रहा है, एक अलग चीज़ ये जो वॉइड है तेरे अंदर, जो एक गैप आ रहा है तू इस चीज़ को फिल कर रहा है किसी और चीज़ों के साथ, लाइक नए कनेक्शन बना रहा है लोगों के साथ, नए दोस्त बना रहा है. मे बी यू डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस थिंग, यू ट्राई scrolling on internet, watching things that is not serving any purpose, but the thing is you only doing it तुझे वो distract कर रही है अपने आप से. So you have to truly give yourself time, and you have to just be alone in your room. Because there was this guy, I don't remember his name, but he said it, humanity, all of the problem is just is seated because a man is unable to sit quiet inside a room. That's it, simple. You have to be in a room. You have to be there. You don't have to fucking read a book, man. Nothing. No. Just be there with your own true self. Find your true desire. Conquer yourself, and you can do anything. Because in the silence, you hear your own self, the waking up call. So you gotta be quiet. Quiet your 100% self, and then you can win, man. There is no cure, actually. Nobody gonna provide you कि यार ये tablet खा, cool man, तेरी तन्हाई खत्म हो जाएगी. But the fact is, they're gonna manage it. So for example, there are doctors, they're gonna provide you the pills. They're just gonna manage the symptom, man. They won't eradicate all what is the root problem. Why are you feeling that way? So simple. अगर तुझे लग रहा है कि तू तन्हा है, डिप्रेस है, स्ट्रेस है, जो भी हो रहा है तुझे, they're gonna provide you the pill. वो जो तेरे को जो इमोशंस जो भर रहे थे, सब कुछ उबल रहा था तेरे अंदर, so वो पिल क्या आएगी, वो आएगी, तू खाएगा, वो सारे दब जाएंगे, like it's, बट वो अब क्या हो गए, अब वो कोलाइडेड हो गए. You get it? So as they were rising, and you introduce a pill in your life, and now your emotions are more collided. they are become solid. पहले वो थोड़े गैसेस के फॉर्म में थे, दूर 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 दूर, गेट इट? बट अब वो सारे जुड़ चुके हैं. जिस दिन तू टैबलेट बंद कर देगा, बूम, they're gonna bust you out, man. You won't be able to live with those pills. It would be tough for you. It would be horrible. So all you need to understand is the only cure in this world of the loneliness or any problem that you're feeling is, I mean, you have the cure, भाई तेरे पास ही क्यूर है, और कोई बंदा, कोई इंसान हेल्प नहीं कर सकते. They might gonna assist you. It's not the fault of doctor. They're just gonna help you. They're gonna assist you. Because तू आज उस मोमेंट पे आ चुका है जहाँ तू बोल रहा है कि यार आई नीड अ सपोर्ट. अगर तू उस दिन मूवी देखने नहीं जाता, दोस्त के साथ नहीं जाता, अपने आप से बात कर लेता, अपने आप को समझ लेता, अपनी डीप डिज़ायर व्हाट यू वांट टू डू एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट नीड टू बी डन, तो आज तू इस जगह नहीं होता, मैन. सो इट्स बेटर कि तू लाइक यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योर सेल्फ, यू ट्राई टू ट्रूली मास्टर योर लोनलीनेस बाय कॉन्करिंग योर सेल्फ. क्योंकि तो दुनिया का हर जंग बाहर वाली दुनिया से लड़ लेगा ब्रो. जब तू अंदर से हार जाएगा, फिर तू हार चुका है. सो मेक श्योर लाइक this loneliness thing, it's the self created, and it is actually, हर इंसान के पास होगी. Is you have to master it, and you have to make this thing one and become a whole being and use this thing, and then boom, you become unstoppable, man. Because that thing is, the loneliness wants to come and it wants to become a whole thing. Like वो एक चीज़ बनना चाहती है, तो complete इंसान बनेगा उस चीज़ से. So but the first thing is, you have to talk to that, you have to understand it. You gotta practice mindfulness, you gotta practice all those techniques that would connect you with your true self. Fuck distraction, fuck all those people that are irrelevant. You don't need it.